The largest class I teach has 40 students here, compared to my previous institution. My largest class was 80 students. And then before that, it was 300 students. Classes are much smaller, and I am able to see students freshman year all the way to senior year. So I can see how they come in and then how they get a little confidence and they progress through their entire 4 years and then walk across the stage. Being in the biology program, we have some of the best alums of any program, and I'm partial, but we always have a lot of donations come in and we spend it on student research, or if there is a piece of equipment that is broken or needs calibrated. So specifically in the brand new lab, a lot of the lab was funded by an external grant, but a good amount was funded through donations from alum and friends of the school. Students are able to come to this new lab, have space that is state-of-the-art and equipment that is state-of-the-art. We really do want to give our students the best education we can, the best equipment that they will see in their master's program, in their PhD program, in professional school. They're already going to know how to use it, and they'll have a leg up against their peers that maybe didn't have that same experience at their undergrad, or they went to a very large state school where they do kit-based labs compared to a small school where we can actually do research-based teaching labs.